Yep.
3, 2, 1, Airsoft!
Oh yes, here we go. Airsoft for Dalton, Kane, Dylan, going under. Tristan and Travis, very undermanned. Oh yes, this is good right here. Follow the action. This is like 3D right here. I get shot him done. Right up in the action, right up here. You see Dalton. You out? They're on the move. Here they come. Dalton, frustrated as usual.
Find my stand.
Well, lost it over here.
I lost it. There it is.
Right up in the line of duty. Here's Dalton. If he gets assaulted, he would be in a very vulnerable position. Hey, don't shoot him. Come over here.
No, don't come over here, you idiot.
No.
Annie.
It's a very bloody, very bloody. Look at Dylan right there.
Behind the wooden thing? Hey, don't move it up to the wood piece. There's a pistol right here. God, they're on the freaking house.
That was mine.
There's one laying over there, too. Hey, don't move it up to the tree. Don't just throw them down, Andy.
I was coming up to pistol whip you.
Hey, Dylan, it's out of ammo. Lay it on this brick. Lay it on the cinder block right there. Don't move it up to the wood piece. Oh, I can't cover you. Oh my God, I just lost all my pistol ammo. Are you getting any good action in there?
Oh yeah. And right here in the line of duty. Oh yeah. God, all that shooting's gave me a boner. I ain't videotaping you. What you want to?
Cover me. Right, just lift the roller. Dalton, how'd you not see him? Get around. All right.
Hey, are you out?
No. Help me.
Dude.
What's down the back? No. I'll say I'm out if you get me. There you go, Andy.
What?
I'm gonna go get a close up. No. I want to get a shot for the camera. This is very stupid. This is what not to do in an airsoft war, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, motherfucker. Watch and learn. Ah, hit! Yeah. Kane, I just wanted to get a close up.
Traffic's gonna come around that way.
I got bored.
They hit you? Got you? What?
Ow! You rat
They
bastard!
hit you? They get you?
You hit me, you rat bastard!
Who's left?
You hit me in the face!
Did we win? Yeah!
Celebrate, Tristan.
Yeah.
Hold that for a minute. Here's the...
Where's Travis at? He was coming around to get
you
you.
hit me?
Black shotgun.
Is it red?
yeah.
Look where you hit me, Tristan.
Right here, in the head. Show me the face.
Oh, dude, that's so bad.
Dalton, that's here.
Yes. Travis, everybody's out. Hey. Andy, pick up that shotgun.
Andy,
Travis,
Andy
I got him.
Andy, look.
Andy. Andy. You recording? Andy, get that shotgun.